So here's another idea of what to do with your leftover meats, any leftover foods, and this is a nice shredded turkey burrito bowl. So we had some leftover turkey, a couple of tomatoes, an avocado, and we can add a few more ingredients to make this into a lovely burrito bowl. Really cheap, super fresh, super healthy. So what we've got is some chopped tomatoes, chopped salad tomatoes, the shredded turkey, some avocado, you can chop that up however you like, cubes, slices, got some salsa, some sweet corn, some basmati rice, and some black beans.
If you don't like rice, don't have rice, or struggle swallowing, you can always substitute it with couscous.
So we're going to start with the shredded turkey, the leftovers. We've got salad tomato chopped up into little cubes, avocado, chop this up however you want into little cubes or sliced, it always looks nice sliced. We've got some salsa, this is all personal choice now, salsa, sweet corn, rice and some black beans there. We're just going to nicely lay that out in the bowl. You want to warm through your rice and your beans before you put them on, and it's a nice, fresh, super healthy dish. I'm going to show you a little trick what I do with the avocado. So put a sharp knife into the core there, twist it, and that'll just pop out like so. If you're going to store your avocado, have half an avocado, always store the side with the stone in, keeps it fresher for longer. And then you have to be very careful about, especially using a sharp knife here, I just like to roughly run it to the bottom of the skin, like so. Don't press down really hard, just let the knife rest against the bottom of the skin. So go one way, come back the other. Then all you're going to do is squeeze, and they'll pop out in nice little cubes, rough and ready.
Look at that.
Look at that there.
The amount of times I've tried and had to cut it into slices individually as well.
Black beans. I like these for a nice contrast of colour as well. Use red kidney beans as well. These are great, full of fibre. Very healthy for your gut. And of course, this is all subjective, so you use what you like and what you can tolerate. That didn't go so well, but do you know what? It's a burrito bowl. You just got to get it in there. So we're going to end up with some really nice colours. The more colours you got on your plate, the better. I always like to use basmati rice as well. Use whatever rice you like, and like Andy said, if you can't manage rice, have couscous or something like that. Bit of rice, leave a little gap for some salsa. This is medium. You might like it mild, you might not like salsa at all, just whatever you like. Nice dollop in there, and that's it.
It's a good burrito plate, and it's got all the colours of the rainbow.
Exactly. The more colours, the better, right? And just another way, if you've got some leftover meat and you're thinking, what can I do? What have I got in my cupboard? And you've got pretty much all these ingredients, go ahead and use it. You may need to go and buy one avocado or something like that to add to it. So there you go.